Before you start cooking, you must prepare the tandoor's clay interior. This seals and treats the clay, which extends the life of your tandoor. Here are the step-by-step directions. 1. Rub with the cloth on the clay portion of your tandoor. 2. Let the tandoor absorb the mixture for 30 minutes. 3. Repeat steps 2 and 3 times. 4. Light up your tandoor on slow heat for 8 hours. And you're ready to get started. Proper unit preparation is essential to protecting your investment and upkeeping food safety standards. For more information, visit us at omcan.com and don't forget to subscribe.